everybody, today I am going to show you how to create product photos in Canva. This is the homepage of Canva, and now on the left side there is the option that called apps. Click on this, and after that scroll down, and there are some recommended section, and you just have to click on product photos. And now you have to choose your product photos. If you have product photo in your uploads section, so you can also select from uploads. Like here my all images that I have in my uploads section. And if you want to upload new images, so you can upload from your files. But if you don't have any, if you want any pictures, so let's try some shoes product. So search here shoes png. I'm just giving you an example, you can use your product. So I am choosing this one, and now right click and save images, and now you can save this image. After that, go on the products, upload new image, and click on your product. Like my product is shoes as an example. On the next, and you can, here are some options that you can choose. If you choose this one, so this will replace the box with your product. And here is the automotive section. You also can choose from here. I will show you the next, but let's try e-commerce. I am trying this one. Click on apply. Wait a second. Okay, so now here you can see that this is looking too much beautiful. Wait a second. You can also use this in your design, and you also can download this from here. So I am downloading. Okay, so now let's check other option, automatic. Also again click on choose photos, click on upload new images, and click on your shoes image. Click on the next, and go on the automotive, and you can choose any images from them. I am choosing spotlight. Click on the apply. Wait. Okay, so now here you can see that this is completing. Wait for some seconds. Okay, wow, this is looking amazing. Here you go, that this is too much amazing product photos. You just have to click your photos, and you don't need any background. You just remove your background of image. But if your image is with the background, so you also, so if you upload your image with background, so this app will remove your background automatic, and your product picture will be ready. Now you can download it, and you can also use this in your new design. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it. So subscribe to learn more about Canva.